Hi, my name's Chris Boyle and we're Mountain Produce with salad. We grow the salads for pubs and restaurants and cafes in the local area, and we also have the Shepherd's Hut for self-catering accommodation. There's loads of activities in the area. We've got mountain biking, off-roading, archery, you name it, we've got it here. And there's local produce, you can get whatever food you want, salads. With the Shepherd's Hut we offer a breakfast pack with the bacon, sausages, eggs, bread, milk. It's all bought within a 5-mile radius of here. The only thing we can't get is baked beans. The Tour Ambassador scheme has helped me a lot with promoting the business and sort of developing my business ideas and so on. We all sort of help each other out through our experiences, and we share, we point customers towards each other, and it all helps each other really.